Hi friends, welcome back to ARCTutorials. Today there is no tutorial, there is no review, but surprisingly something popped up in my dashboard today and it said ARCTutorials has completed 8 years on YouTube. That's one hell of a ride, I must tell you. 8 long years, unbelievable. Never ever in my wildest dream I would have imagined to be here for 8 long years doing this. Thanks to each one of you who have watched a video, shared these, liked it, commented it, or best of all, what helps me the most is when I see your emails or comments which says we have learned from you in this last 8 years, especially with Angular, Bootstrap, Node.js, Express. A lot of you have given so much love to this tutorial series, and a lot of you have written to me that you have found jobs, you have made careers, it has helped you in your projects, in your office work, and that is my real achievement. So thanks to each one of you. Can't believe in this 8 years how much things would have changed. A lot of you would have graduated, a lot of you would have become senior engineers, architects, managers. Some of you would have got married, have kids, they are going to school. Some of you might have got white beard. Um, some of you found love of your lives and married or whatever. So let me know in this comment section what this 8 years means. When I saw this, it said happy anniversary on YouTube. You have given world 8 years of videos. Um, 8 years is a very long time. I've been doing this consistently, but last couple of years I was not as productive as I want to be. Um, but I promise the next 8 years will be super amazing. Continue to join me in this journey, making ARCTutorials one of the best and free resources on internet. Um, I want to again thank each one of you for this. It's your achievement, it's your support that made this possible. 8 years is a very, very long time. I'm super excited, super happy, and once again, thank you. So keep learning, keep growing. That's all I wish for you and this community. As a community, you have helped a lot. You have helped me reach to a good position. So thank you. Together, we'll keep learning, we'll keep growing. Happy 8 years to each one of you. Thank you so much. Bye.